The Enchanted Garden Adventure. In a small town nestled between rolling hills, there lived two adventurous friends, Lily and Oliver. One sunny day, they discovered a mysterious door at the end of their neighborhood, leading to a magical garden. Curiosity taking over, Lily and Oliver opened the door and found themselves in a garden like no other. The flowers sparkled with different colors, and the trees whispered secrets in the gentle breeze. The air was filled with the sweet scent of enchanted blossoms. As they explored further, Lily and Oliver encountered whimsical creatures like talking butterflies and giggling mushrooms. These magical beings guided them through the garden, sharing tales of wonder and laughter. The Enchanted Garden presented challenges, like crossing a rainbow bridge and solving riddles. But Lily and Oliver faced them together. Their friendship and teamwork made the challenges seem like exciting games. At the heart of the garden, they discovered the Fountain of Dreams. The water sparkled with dreams of all shapes and sizes. Lily and Oliver made wishes, and the fountain granted them with tiny magical tokens symbolizing their dreams. With hearts full of joy, Lily and Oliver decided it was time to leave the Enchanted Garden. They said farewell to their magical friends, carrying the tokens of their dreams. As they walked back through the door, the garden disappeared, leaving only the memory of their fantastical adventure. Back in their neighborhood, Lily and Oliver realized that the magic of the Enchanted Garden had left a sprinkle of wonder in their everyday lives. They held onto the tokens, knowing that their dreams were now a little bit more magical, thanks to the Enchanted Garden adventure.